So before we move on to today's sort of objective or intention, we need to recap on what we did last week. So what do we remember about mountain gorillas? Now I know some of you will have done this, and some of you will have seen the PowerPoint on with a little bit about mountain gorillas. But if you haven't, then I will put on the timetable a link with a document that has lots of different facts about mountain gorillas. So if you have seen some stuff, that's great. See if you can remember it. If you don't, I will put basically a fact file of mountain gorillas on forms for you, so you can sort of learn some of the facts that to help you make the sanctuary. So some of the things we were looking at were what do they look like, where do they live, what do they do, and why they are endangered. And on this video, I'm not sure if you click on the link, or I will attach a link of the video so you can have some more facts as well.